Hey, how are you? Yes, Andrew. Nice to meet you. For this, right? Okay. Unlocked, right? Yeah, yeah. Okay, don't worry. I have a flip key with remote. Yeah, if you have remote start before. So today we have GMC Terrain 2015 year. Right. Oh, right. Alright, we are got it 2 key, it's a spare key, it's a key with remote, and we need to check door lock. Alright, this one works, this one works too. Check remote, it's work. Check engine, work too. And check spare key, work too. Yeah, there you go, ready to go.